To generate a QR code for a Tripadvisor review, start by opening a web browser and searching for Tripadvisor. From the search results, open the Tripadvisor.com website. Next, open a QR code generator website, which can be found in the search results, and click on the Create Your Free QR Code option. Accept the cookies. Then navigate back to the Tripadvisor website. If you haven't already, sign in to your account by clicking on the Sign In option and entering your email and password. Once signed in, navigate to the Write a Review section and create a new review. After creating the review, copy the URL and paste it into the QR code generator. The generator will then create a QR code for your review. This process allows you to easily share your review with others by scanning the QR code.